I'm talking about a child, an adolescent teen like you, 16 years of age, from West Bengal. He used to stay in a colony of truck drivers. Some fine day, and he, by the way, had the dream to crack JEE, which is one of the most prestigious exams for engineers in India. Now, at the age of 17, he suffered from a case of food poisoning. So, the edible oil which he bought for himself, his family bought for their consumption, had low amounts of zinc, which is a poison, when mixed with edible oil. And because of that, he suffered a neurological disorder. अच्छा ये disorder हुआ तो his entire lower part got paralyzed. A 17-year young boy like you in your age group had the dreams of cracking JEE but got paralyzed. डॉक्टर ने बोला कुछ नहीं हो सकता, यू विल लिव अ लाइफ ऑफ टिपिकल वेजिटेबल. व्हाट विल यू लिव? यू विल लिव द लाइफ ऑफ अ वेजिटेबल. कुछ नहीं हो सकता ना, आपका मोबिलिटी नहीं है, आपको कुछ कोटा वगैरह में जॉब मिल जाएगी, फिजिकल डिसेबिलिटी कोटा में, वो जॉब कर लेना और अपनी जिंदगी गुजार देना, बिकॉज द फैमिली वाज नॉट वेल टू पास हिम जनरेशनल वेल्थ, राइट? दैट पर्सन डिसाइडेड कि जेईई में तो 2 साल बिगड़ गए, 12th के बाद करना था, मेरे 1-2 साल ऐसे ही बिगड़ गए. मैंने सुना है जेईई जैसा ही एक एग्जाम होता है चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंसी, उसमें ही ट्राई कर लेते हैं. He cracked his entire chartered accountancy in one attempt. I am talking about a live person called Sanjay Mukhopadhyay. You can search about him on the internet, and he is working in one of the most prestigious PSUs in India in West Bengal as a financial planning and analysis manager. Is story number 1. Story number 2 is of a similar age kid who suffered from Mumbai 2006 train blast. He was a part of the train which was blasted in 2006, and because of the blast, he was once again diagnosed with a similar case of neurological disorder. उसको भी बोला गया कि भाई कुछ नहीं हो सकता, उसको तो सीए करना ही था. He completed chartered accountancy and he did not stop after that. Right now, he is doing his own practice in Mumbai as a chartered accountant and has founded a startup called extramile.com, which helps you get professionals for your company. मतलब अगर आपका कोई कंपनी है और आपको एक चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट चाहिए, आपको कंपनी सेक्रेटरी चाहिए, आपको अकाउंटेंट चाहिए, तो this firm would act as a recruitment firm. Someone can raise his or her hand, right? Someone, anyone. I am just going to ask you names of 5 industries in India, nothing more. इंडिया के कोई भी 5 इंडस्ट्री, मतलब एक हो गया एफएमसीजी, चलो मैंने बता दिया, दूसरा हो गया बैंकिंग एंड फाइनेंशियल सर्विसेज, 3 तो बता दो. एक एजुकेशन इंडस्ट्री, 3rd इंडस्ट्री इज एजुकेशन इंडस्ट्री, और फार्मास्यूटिकल इंडस्ट्री, 4th इज फार्मास्यूटिकल, 5th I'm talking about industry. Agriculture is a sector. Logistics. Someone is telling logistics. Do you know? आप कोई भी इंडस्ट्री मुझे बता दो, any industry, and if I am not able to find a chartered accountant at the top helm, then you can challenge me for whatever bet you can. Any industry. I'll give you some examples so that आपको लगे कि ऐसे फेक नहीं रहा बंदा. Right? Do you know some names? You should know some names. हम बैंकिंग फाइनेंशियल सर्विसेज की बात कर रहे थे. The CEO of HDFC Bank right now is a chartered accountant. The prior MD of HDFC Bank, Aditya Puri, was a chartered accountant. The vice chairman and CEO of HDFC, which is like the holding company of HDFC Bank, K.K. Mistry, is a chartered accountant. The president of Walmart India was a chartered accountant. The co-founder of Make My Trip, 2 co-founders हैं, एक IIM अहमदाबाद का बंदा है, दूसरा चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट है. राकेश मगो इज अ चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट. अरे आप इसकी क्या बात कर रहे हो? राकेश झुंझुनवाला इज अ पद्मश्री चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट. TN मनोहरन इज अ पद्मश्री चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट. अरुण पुरी, द फाउंडर ऑफ इंडिया टुडे ग्रुप, इज अ पद्म भूषण चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट. डू यू नो द रेलेवेंस ऑफ द डिग्री विच यू होल्ड? And can you now consider how much efforts would you have to put in to get that degree? ऐसे तो नहीं मिलेगा ना भाई. At the end of the day हमें सबको पता है कि भाई पैसा चाहिए कि नहीं चाहिए? Do you know the per capita income of India? पर कैपिटा इनकम मतलब एक साल में इंडिया में एवरेज बंदा कितना पैसा कमा लेता है? 2,40,000 इज द एवरेज ईयरली इनकम ऑफ अ पर्सन इन इंडिया, which boils down to 20,000 rupees a month. Can you tell me who amongst us has a family income of only 20,000 a month? नहीं है ना? अच्छा, आपका ज्वाइनिंग पैकेज कितना होने वाला है? If you don't get a rank, 8 lakhs, 10 lakhs, what is going to be your joining package if you get a rank? 15 lakhs, 20 lakhs, 25 lakhs? यार मेरे को लगता है अपने को प्रॉब्लम्स कैसे दिख सकते हैं? If I am able to see that an average Indian is going to earn 2,40,000 but I am going to earn 24 lakhs if I get a rank, the story completes there. Doesn't it? Doesn't it? So that is what I want to say कि आपको the situation which you are in right now, you are blessed. You are blessed with the best of the parents, with the best of the family, with the best of coaching classes, with one of the best batches, with one of the best peers. And now if you don't convert a rank, then probably you are insulting all the parties in this connection. Don't you feel that? मेरी स्टोरी बताता हूँ. It's not always easy. आपको कोई भी जर्नी स्टार्ट करनी है ना, आप फाइनल डेस्टिनेशन देख ही नहीं सकते. अगर फाइनल डेस्टिनेशन देखोगे तो कुछ नहीं होगा. जैसे अपने को क्या था, अपने को गोल्ड मेडल आया था अहमदाबाद यूनिवर्सिटी में, सीए में 2 बार रैंक आया था, तो अपने को तो IIM फोड़ना ही था. ऐसा नहीं लग रहा है? मेरे को भी ऐसा ही लगा. IIM में 2 years I have studied. I studied IIM Bangalore. There were 6 trimesters. Trimesters are periods of 3 months in which you study. Correct? अच्छा, first trimester में there were 450 students. There was a batch of 450 students. Right? Who was sitting in that trimester. मेरे मम्मी पापा उधर मेरे को छोड़ने आए थे because this was the first time, as Agam told, I was also going out of home at the age of 25 then. तो अपने को तो यार आराम से घर में माँ के हाथ की गरम रोटी खाने को मिली थी. अब 2 साल बोर्डिंग स्कूल में रहना है तो पेरेंट्स हैड कम डाउन टू ड्रॉप मी. सोचो उस दिन माय डैड टेल्स मी दैट हे जिनेत, दिस इज द IIM वॉल ऑफ फेम. इसमें नाम आ सकता है क्या? मैंने बोला ये तो औकात के बाहर की बात है, पॉसिबल ही नहीं है ना. आई मीन यू आर कॉम्पिटिंग विद द बेस्ट ब्रेन्स ऑफ द कंट्री, right, and which has people from IITs, people at all 3 level ranks of chartered accountancy, people coming in from Harvard, a lot of these people. कर सकते हैं कि नहीं कर सकते? मेरे को लगा नहीं कर सकते, पर मैंने बोला चलो ट्राई कर लेंगे. That is what I told him. I got a reality check when I cleared at 350th rank in my first trimester, in my first exam, mid trimester exam, out of 425 students. अपना तो रैंक आया था. Are you understanding? अपने को फट गई. In next 1.5 months, I do not remember a single day where I have not studied for less than 14 hours. From 350th rank, I got down to 24th rank in 1.5 months. अच्छा, अभी 24th rank में फिर से ना बहुत चुभा. क्यों चुभा? Because at the end of the first trimester, you get colleges of international exchange. तो जो अच्छी कॉलेजेस थी येल, जो और अच्छी कॉलेज थी शिकागो बुल, वो तो सब फर्स्ट रैंक, सेकंड रैंक, थर्ड रैंक, फोर्थ रैंक, फिफ्थ रैंक, सिक्स्थ रैंक सबको चली गई. अपना तो 24th. I decided I don't want to go for international exchange. मैं 6 लाख रुपए देकर कोई रैंडम कॉलेज में नहीं जाना चाहता. Right? So I kept on studying. At the end of first year, from 24th rank, I came down to 7th rank. And I was the only chartered accountant at IIM Bangalore to get into director's merit list, which is given to 20 students, top students in the batch. मैंने बोला अब आगे नहीं हो सकता क्योंकि इससे टॉप 3 में आना तो बहुत फाइट है. Because everyone now is very smart, right? In the next entire year, my rank moved from 7th to 6th, 6th to 5th. Bus. Now is the last exam. Only top 3 people get recognized. या तो आपको academic gold medal मिलेगा या all rounder gold medal मिलेगा. All rounder is you are not tested only academically, you are tested in 7 other fields, जिसमें co-curricular activities आ गए, extra curricular activities आ गए, sports आ गया, reading आ गया, internship आ गया, सब कुछ. I thought चलो apply तो करते हैं. 120 people out of 450 people applied for all rounder gold medal. दूसरे लोगों ने तो अप्लाई भी नहीं किया. And out of 120 people, the professors were given profiles to vote. And जैसे आगम ने बोला कल बीजेपी का क्या हो पता नहीं, but I got 119 votes out of 120 votes. So 119 professors. When in the first 1.5 months, I was barely able to speak with 10 other people in the class because I came from Ahmedabad and I was all in my comfort zone. The learning here is you don't keep looking at the goal, you keep looking at immediate goals.